and a little fan. Onions. Onions. Yeah. We're reviewing this over here. What do you think? Hi, Achy Dad here. This is very exciting. I'm going to review my first product that was sent to me after someone just found my YouTube channel and said, can you review this product? We'll give you one to review and one to give away to your viewers. So I will give one to anyone who's watching this, who's the first person to comment on what they'd like to see more of on my channel or how I could improve. Oh, there was a cat here, but now the cat is gone because I forgot to do an achy report when this started. I have cervical radiolopathy. I call it cervical ridiculousness. A little pinched disc here radiates down here sometimes. And of course exercise is annoyingly the cure, and I'm not really doing that. But let's move on. Wonder Heater Instructional Manual. I looked on Amazon and there's several heaters by a company called Instaheater, and then there's heaters like this one, which I take is new and is by Pet Coach for $25.99. But there's those Instaheater ones, $24, $29, that are white, and this is black. So I don't know if they're all made by the same distributor. This is 1,000 watts, and those others were like 600. Yeah, this looks like the one on Amazon by Pet Coach, $25.99. Interesting contraption. It says it heats rooms instantly, which is of course impossible to instantly heat a room unless you maybe blew a nuclear bomb off in it. All right, yeah, so don't go on the keys, but you like bubble wrap? You like bubble wrap? Okay, I've plugged it in. It shall be in a position after being plugged into a power socket. The bottom line of the appliance must be kept at least 20 centimeters above the floor. Designed exclusively for wall sockets. That was my fault, but I don't have a wall socket here at the table. To reduce the risk of fire and electric shock, do not use extension cables, strike 2. Oop. I'm sorry, onions. That's degrees Celsius. It's starting to remind me a little bit of a hairless Tribble from Star Trek because it's kind of cute. It's all round, it's warm. It has 2 buttons on it. No, 3. Plus, minus, menu. The idea of having no cords is great, as long as you have enough outlets. We live in an old house, so that's a challenge for a 1930 house. Okay, I don't want to read the manual. Don't make me read the manual. All right, fine. This rotates so that you can put it in an outlet and lock it in 4 positions. Hear that click? And I quote, do not use near water. Wonder how near. Like, can I have a glass of water if I'm sitting next to it? The heater is not equipped with a device to control the room temperature, but it's a heater for instantly heating a room. Heat up your room instantly, but it does not have a device to control the room temperature. That probably means it doesn't have a thermostat in the room, like in the center of the room. It only knows how hot it is where the heater is. This product heats when operating because it's a heater. Keep children away from this device. Interesting if it's in a wall socket because they're all as low as children. Do not take it to an unauthorized technical service center. I don't know who has been authorized in Vermont to work on an Instaheater. This is very thorough. I'm not making fun of it. It works. As I said, it works. This is the remote control. The remote wasn't working because it doesn't have a battery, which is a key part of any remote control. My suspicion is lithium-ion batteries make shipping a little tougher, and they just don't include one, which I don't blame them. Yeah, I know, I just blew your nap. I'm sorry. You're done. You're gonna lie farther away from me, aren't you? Or no. Oh, you're going. Okay. You can't set this stuff up, huh? Anyway, my final review is great. If you want to have a little hairless tribble heating up a space of yours, get one. Stay warm out there.